To get a new Social Security card after marriage, start by gathering the necessary documents, which include proof of citizenship, such as a U.S. birth certificate or passport, proof of identity, like a driver's license, and proof of marriage, including a marriage certificate. Next, fill out the application for a Social Security card, also known as Form SS5, which can be found on the Social Security Administration website or at a local Social Security office. When completing the form, make sure to provide your new name, as it appears on your marriage certificate, and your old name, as it appears on your current Social Security card. Once the form is completed, take it to a local Social Security office, along with the required documents. To submit your application, you can find the nearest office by visiting the Social Security Administration website. Be prepared to provide original documents, as photocopies are not accepted. After submitting the application, the Social Security office will review it and verify the information. If everything is in order, a new Social Security card will be processed and mailed to you. It is essential to note that the Social Security number will remain the same. Only the name on the card will be updated. It is recommended to apply for a new Social Security card as soon as possible after marriage to avoid any potential issues with benefits, taxes, or employment. Additionally, it is crucial to update your Social Security information with the Internal Revenue Service, your employer, and any other relevant parties to ensure seamless processing of taxes and benefits. In terms of timing, it typically takes about 2 weeks to receive the new Social Security card after submitting the application. However, this timeframe may vary depending on the workload of the Social Security office. It is also important to keep in mind that there is no fee associated with applying for a new Social Security card. In conclusion, getting a new Social Security card after marriage is a straightforward process that requires gathering the necessary documents, filling out the application form, and submitting it to a local Social Security office. By following these steps and providing accurate information, you can obtain a new Social Security card with your updated name and avoid any potential complications.